So guys, for the first method, make sure that Steam is up to date. In the top left, click on Steam and then click on Check for Steam Client Updates. Make sure that Steam is up to date. For the next method, in the top left, click on Steam and then click on Settings. Now you want to go to the Downloads tab. Make sure that you're both on the same download region. For the next method, you want to disable any VPNs or proxies that you guys may be using. For the next method, make sure that both the accounts are connected to the same Wi-Fi network before you accept the invite. For the last method, you want to log into the invited account on the host PC, then you want to resend the invite. So you want to log into your friend or your family member's account on your computer, then you want to send the invite. Then on that same computer, you want to log back into your own account and you want to accept the invite. Then it should be working for you. So send and receive the invite on the same computer. So you want to log into both accounts on the same computer. Try that.